Let's begin with a prayer. Who wants to volunteer? Reynard, please do the prayer.
The Father, Son, and the Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, class, our topic for today is all about circulatory system. Any idea about circulatory system? Again, what comes into your mind when you hear the word circulatory system? Yes, Reynard?
Circulate.
Circulation. Yes, Joshua.
Transportation of blood.
Okay, so circulatory system is all about the transportation of the blood throughout the parts of our body. Okay, who can read what is circulatory system? Yes, Reynard.
The circulatory system, or what we call the cardiovascular system, is the system that pumps blood throughout the body.
Okay, before we start, I have here an illustration of the three main components of the circulatory system. Who can identify the components of the circulatory system and name it? Yes, Joshua? Just name only one, please. Heart. Next. Yes, Reynard. Next. Yes, Leah. So the circulatory system has three main components, which is the heart, blood, and the blood vessels. The heart is the one that pumps the blood throughout the body. Please read, Brainerd.
Heart. It is the organ that pumps blood throughout the body as it beats. It also helps to maintain adequate blood pressure throughout the body.
The second is blood. Please read.
Blood transports oxygen and other nutrients all over the body, collects carbon dioxide as waste product away from the tissues.
Next. This layer.
Blood vessels deliver blood to the organs and tissues in the body, carry waste, products, and carbon dioxide away from the organs and tissues in the body.
Okay, so para maintindihan pag ilang functions ng circulatory system, ang heart na to na mula nagapump sang blood sa aton nga blood vessels kay sa whole part of our body. And ang aton nga blood naman among nag-carry sang oxygen sa aton nga lawas kadto sa ibang mga parts ng aton nga body, and ang blood vessels ang iyang passageway kung baga siya ang alagyan. To further discuss about the blood vessels, it has three types, mainly the arteries, veins, and the capillaries. So first, let's discuss about the arteries. Who can read? Yes, Ellen, please read.
Arteries carry oxygen rich blood away from the heart and deliver it to various organs and tissues. These are the biggest blood vessels.
Next is veins. Who can read?
Veins. Blood vessels that are smaller than the arteries. Carry the oxygenated blood towards the heart and are often located close to the skin.
The third one is the capillaries.
These are delicate blood vessels that exist throughout the body and are the smallest among the blood vessels. Transport blood, nutrients, and oxygen to cells in the body.
So the arteries is the one that carries the blood The oxygenated rich blood throughout the body, and the vein is the one that carries the deoxygenated blood throughout the body back to the heart. And the capillary is the blood vessel that transport the nutrients and the oxygen throughout the body and the cell and in the cells of the body. Okay, since we have already discussed about the blood vessels and the main components of the circulatory system, I have here a graphic organizer and let's answer this. First, let's give the function of the heart. Who can give the function of the heart? The second one is one of the main parts of the circulatory system which transport oxygen and other nutrients all over the body. Yes, and then and what is the function of the blood vessels? And what are the three types of the blood vessels? Yes, Bea. So let's review it again. So the heart is its function is to pump blood throughout the body, and the blood is its function is to transport oxygen and other nutrients all over the body. Blood vessel serves as the passageway of the blood, and the blood vessels has three types, which is mainly the artery, the vein, and the capillary. Arteries' function is to carry oxygenated blood throughout the body. The capillary's function is to supply nutrients and oxygen through the body, and the veins' function is to carry out the oxygenated blood or the blood that has carbon dioxide. Since we have already discussed all about the circulatory system, we have here an evaluation, and I want you to answer this. It is an evaluation of true or false questions. So first, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Number one, nutrients are transported to all cells in the body through blood vessels. True or false? Number two, arteries contains valves that prevent the backward flow of the blood. Number three, blood vessels in the body includes arteries, veins, and capillaries. Number four, damaged blood vessels are clotted with the help of platelets in the blood until fully repair can be undertaken. Number five, blood plasma is composed primarily of water. Number six, new red blood cells are produced by stem cells in the bone marrow. Number seven, red blood cells are responsible for the production of antibodies. Okay, number eight, the superior vena cava drains blood from the head and neck. Number nine, Blood from the left ventricle flows into the aorta. And lastly, number 10, a stroke occurs when an area of the heart muscle dies. Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Please pass your paper. For your assignment, please research about the mechanical pump and compare its characteristics and function to the heart. And we will check your papers when we meet again. Okay? Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you and God bless.